Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we've got a 2023 Yamaha 222XE that just came in. This one is in the gray exterior color, neutral interior color. It's got the gray C-deck flooring. You have a large digital dash, show you the map of the lake. You've got dual engines, dual throttle controls. Up here on the dash, you also have a cell phone holder, and it's also an integrated charger as well. USB ports in here for charging as well if you want to use those. Like I mentioned, it's got the dual engines, and it also has your integrated ballast tanks in the boat. Fill those with water, give you the capability of surfing, wakeboarding. Large deck in the back, ample seating. This is a 10-person capacity boat. Table mount back on the back rear corner, rear speakers. If you want to see this or any of the other Yamahas that we carry, come by MarineMax Lake Norman in Cornelius.